Today I'll be showing you how to cook different meat in a bulk in just a particular minute. Birthday is coming up, guys, so I'll be cooking in bulk today. I'll be cooking 3 different kinds of meat because some of my friends will be coming over. So in here I'll be cooking ogbono soup. In here, while this one I'll be cooking fried rice in here, and this I'll be cooking vegetable stew in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me take you guys so close. I'll be cooking vegetable soup in here. While this particular one I'll be making fried rice in here, cooking fried rice in here. Why this particular one I'll be cooking ogbono. So I've already put my meat. I'll go ahead and put all my seasoning ingredients. So I just put my meat inside the pot. So I'm going to be adding salt to it. This one is for the ogbono Saturday, so I don't have all time to go to cook all this food. So I'll be cooking it today, Friday. Okay, cooking it today, Friday, and also on Monday I'm not around. I'm going to work. I'll be working full time on Monday, so that is why I am cooking all the food today. And also for, you know, I'm not going to doing the party, but a few friends are going to be coming around. So in here I'm going to put all the seasoning. I don't know if you guys can see. I will draw you guys close to see it very well. Okay. In here I'm going to be putting my daily leaf, so I'm going to put it, allow it to wash, put my daily leaf in here. Then I put my curry. This is the for the fried rice. Okay.
Oh na. Oh, welcome to Crematage TV. Wow. Don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. Oh. You are beautiful, don't live and precious.
Seasoning cube inside this particular one. You can see, yeah.
I got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. Your skincare remedy, so I will give you. Worry no more about your skin now. You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh, now, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more, cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this love. Search no more, cause already got the best. Make up tutorial, it did for you. Lifestyle blogging, it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything did for you. Subscribe, and
I'm going to try to remove the turkey as well in this one, because I don't want the turkey to be too done. Or I will allow it to done a little bit longer. Before I remove the turkey. I'm turning it with the pepper. The pepper to simmer. Because I'm still going to use it to cook the leaf sauce. Okay. While the ogbono sauce will be making the ogbono sauce later, but not me making the ogbono sauce. If I can take you guys alongside with it, with the ogbono sauce. Okay, I will make the ogbono sauce. So you can see the turkey. Removing the turkey one after the other.
Can cook it, everything there for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you. Payment treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I say they watch your work, God they bless you. Payment treasure got you. Lifestyle, food and villa. Skincare we give you. Oh no, everything as we give you. You crazy on us. Oh no. Big James Nani. Subscribe. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you no more payment treasure got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedy, so I will give you. Why you no more buy your skin on you? You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause you already got the best. Make a tutorial, it did for you. Lifestyle blogging, it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything did for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist.
My camera went off, guys. I did not find it on time, so I could not take you guys along. This is the finished work of the fried rice. So in case you want to make fried rice recipe or fried rice, you can go to my channel. I already have fried rice recipe there. So thank you so much, guys. If you watched to this extent, I say God bless you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.